I want to talk about another deposition technique that can be used to control the deposition and the witness. And that's using the admonition as a sword, not as a shield. You know, most of us have heard admonitions as a way of protecting against a witness at trial, saying, well, I didn't understand the rules, or I didn't understand what you were asking. I will tell you, in 100+ trials, I have never had that come up. Instead, the admonition turns into a confusing, do you know the length of this table, and don't guess, don't estimate, whatever it is, and it really doesn't have any effect at all. So let me talk about an alternative. And that is, you start asking questions, and eventually when you get to a question that the deponent doesn't want to answer, they will say something like, I don't know, or I don't remember. And then I would suggest you use an admonition like this. Mr. Deponent, Miss Deponent, you are here under oath, under the penalty of perjury. And what that means is this is not like normal everyday conversation. That means in this particular context, if you have any information, especially an answer to a question that is particularly uncomfortable, because you're under the penalty of perjury and an oath to tell the truth, you gotta answer the question, even if you have a little bit of information. Now, I have found that that works like this. When I get to that question, isn't it true that you falsified the records? Isn't it true that the doctor didn't do what they said they did? Oftentimes they will say, well, I don't know. And then I follow up with the admonition. You remember, this is one of those uncomfortable questions, so let me ask you again under oath. Didn't the doctor falsify these records? And I have found 9 out of 10 times the witness goes, well, if I have to say under oath, yes, I think he did. It's a very effective tool. Take the admonition away from a giveaway. Use it as a sword when you need it to push that witness to answer your question.